In this video, I'll show you how to create an alpha for your avatar that's wearing mesh clothing, and sometimes the bits are showing. I'm using 2.83, the alpha version. So let's get started. So what I've done is I've saved a copy of the Avastar upper with a modified skin applied so that it doesn't show the bits here to keep YouTube happy. And here's the how it's set up. In fact, I can do this. We'll show you how the setup works here. Delete all of that and create a shader. Hit Control T since I have the Node Wrangler installed. Then I'm going to do an open, and there's my copy of the skin that came with Avastar. Pretty simple. So now let's get started and make ourselves a alpha. I do Shift D, move that guy up. And create new alpha upper. In this case, we do need alpha enabled for this. Pick any color you like. Doesn't seem to matter. Let it default. And for this, I need a. How did you end up with two of those? Turkey, I still had the. Whatever. Right, so I need a mix shader so we can see it. And we'll just drop that down there. I've discovered that if you drop it on with connections on it, they don't work. So color goes into the second one. Leave the alpha blank for now. And we want to darken this up a bunch. Oh, right. There we go. Okay, a little more light. There we go. Yeah, right. This is going to be so easy. So we go to Texture Paint and get into that guy. Go into Material Preview so we can see what's going on here. Make sure that this is on your alpha layer and not on that Starlight upper that we were using before. Okay. I didn't turn this on. Doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. Okay. You can see the mouse buttons that I use, whatever. Okay, so now we want to set up and do some painting. So the first thing we want to do is we want to change the fall off to dead sharp. Stroke default is fine. Strength was 100% or 1. Change that from a mix to a erase alpha. Over here, by default, is the UV editor showing in paint mode. Okay, so we want to get this thing a little bit straightened out. That looks good. Size with F. And draw on there to cover up the bits. There we go. Goes up. Okay. Right, there's our alpha. That's it. That's all there is to it. So now let's save it. Save the alpha. And my previous test, save the alpha. Okay, got it. Now let's go over to Second Life and try it out. Right, so here we are in Second Life. Fix the brightness a little bit. Now we're going to do an upload of the new alpha, and I apologize you don't get to see the file loader. Excuse me. Now we're going to do an edit, Aaron's outfit, and we need to do is new clothes, new alpha. There's the selector for the upper. Take that guy that we uploaded multiple times and apply it. And there you go. You can see it's working. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I learned something. I had it in my mind that I could do this a long time ago, and I never got around to doing it. So if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe and hit like would be nice. And also, if you make a comment of any kind, that helps the YouTube ranking for the thing, regardless of the thing, as does sharing. So we'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye.